Hi, you guys. This is Nike Karma. Came up with a short but sweet challenge. Can you open your phone with your lips? Only your lips. That's right. So, this challenge only requires for you to have a phone that has a keypad on it for you to do, to open the phone. And then you have to make a phone call as well with only your lips. Join in. Hope you have fun. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Can y'all see me? All right. A little bit harder than I thought. Okay. Maybe if I... All right, we getting somewhere. Okay. Hey, now you. Okay, girl, killed it. Y'all turn.
Whew, I did it. Jesus.